Going TikTok. Shelling corn today. Got the combine fixed after 4 different trips to the John Deere dealership. 2 different John Deere dealerships. Kind of annoying, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother day. So we're shelling corn. Moisture is about 18%. Get a little dock, but not much. With the weather coming up, we're going to go ahead and keep on shelling. We looking at some pretty good yields. I'd say hopefully 200 is low estimate, but corn's looking pretty good. Can't make a round in the field, but my neighbor happened to stop by, and he can't combine today. Their moisture on all their corn's 26, 27. It's way too high, so they quit. So he offered up his grain cart, and he swung by with his grain cart. So I'll try and get a little video of that here in a little bit. But right now I'll take a little video of the corn in a little bit shorter area right now. But here we go. Like I said yesterday, the corn stalks get sucked down into the head by those snap and rolls, and try and get a little video. And then the ears get rolled into that auger. Now, without being able to vary my speed, but doing this one-handed, you can see where the ears get pulled right into the thresher. Comes out the top. Grain sample isn't perfect, but not getting any dock at the elevator, so I'm gonna keep sending it there. Could turn my fan up probably a little bit. I feel like this afternoon the wind's really picked up. That sun's come out and getting a little more fodder in the bin than I would like. So probably make an adjustment on that, turn the fan up a little bit. No, going pretty good. Cruising right along. Up, here comes the grain cart operator. Let's see if we can't get a video of this. Grain cart, 8630. Older equipment, but it works, so we're just going to keep flipping along. Hopefully the elevator doesn't slow us down too much with the loads going in, waiting in line. So until next time, you guys keep her under 100 and stay safe out there.